I love the texture on this wig. Like, look at the texture on this wig, y'all. Like, she's flowing. She's doing what she needs to do right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Today in this video, I'm talking about another airtied wig. And again, it's another different kind of yaki. I told y'all Outre was giving us the yaks. They were giving us different kind of yaks. I reviewed a perm yaki, and I think they have a sleek yaki. This is a natural yaki. I got some things to tell you guys about this wig, so you definitely want to stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because these days I don't know how I upload. Sometimes it's back to back, and then you don't see me for a week, you know. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump into it. Hey friends, so we are dropping these videos, okay? These wigs are dropping. They are dropping, and I'm trying to keep up. We are here. So we have another airtied lace wig. I believe this is probably number 4 that I reviewed from this collection. So this is from the Outre Airtied Lace collection. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it. Watch that first video, the Glam Waves 28 inches wig. I went into full detail about this collection. But this is the Outre Airtied collection. Just a brief synopsis. This is a human hair blend wig. It is fully hand tied. You're not going to get any tracks in this wig. And I have the style Natural Yaki 12 inches. So I wanted to talk to you guys because I definitely feel like this is a natural yaki wig. You can, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little bit of texture in here and I like it. So we're getting different yakis with Outre. Like, this is not too sleek. It is actually like a blown out natural yaki wig. So I'm really impressed with that and I like that. I reviewed the perm yaki wig and I also reviewed the Glam Waves, and there's too many wigs, y'all. I also reviewed the loose body wave 18 inches wig. So far this one and the perm yaki are a little bit more texture. I'm noticing that. I definitely like this one. This one is a little bit more sleeker than the perm yaki, but the perm yaki wasn't too bad, and it could also be the color. I'm loving the hairline on this wig. I'm actually gonna go off camera and customize it a bit. I'm just gonna brush it back with my hot comb, probably just tweeze just a little bit to break up that hairline. And yeah, so let's put this wig on. So I'm gonna go in with a black wig cap. If you guys like these turbans that I wear, I did a review for this. I'll put it up here in the cards and I'll leave it down below. I love these turbans, y'all. On my days off, that's all I wear sometimes, in a half wig, because I'm lazy. So I'm gonna go in with a black wig cap. I like a black wig cap. I noticed it kind of is better with these HD laces, because look at this lace against my skin. Like, it looks really good. I love this collection. It really does melt into your skin. So yeah, I didn't braid my hair yet. I just shampooed it, so I just have it in a ponytail and sleeked back. But let's see what it's looking like on. So as far as the cap goes, this is what the wig is looking like. You're gonna get your 2 combs and your comb right here, your elastic band if you want to wear it glueless, but I don't really like glueless too much. You can do that if you want, but I don't like glueless. I like to put a little bit of adhesive because my wigs slip back and I just don't like that. This is what it's looking like as far as like the mesh goes, with no tracks in the back, like I told you guys plenty of times in all these airtight reviews. But I gotta act like y'all ain't never seen the reviews before, so I'm gonna talk to y'all just like that. Be careful with this lace. You can tear it, and that's not fun. Okay. Oh, this is a cute little bob. So this is a cute little everyday bob, y'all. See that hairline? What it's looking like. This is the wig cap. So it looks like a line of demarcation, but it's actually not. Look when I push it all the way back. You see how scalp-like that looks? All right, so let me go ahead and customize this and put it on and talk to you guys in a bit. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out the pack. I went ahead and used my hot comb and brushed it back, and then I went ahead and just kind of tweezed it just a bit, and this is what it's looking like. I didn't tweeze too much, it just got a little bit of hair. Then I cut the lace off camera with my eyebrow razor, and this is what it looked like. Not straight across, just kind of jagged, and I tinted the lace with my lace tint spray. You can use makeup if you like. Everything will be linked in my description box under Wig Essentials if you need anything. Then I like to go with my bedhead spray. This is a temporary adhesive. I place that lace right on top of it, and then I use my blow dryer just to kind of secure it a little bit before I put my elastic band. And I'm just getting it a little firm before I go in and do the sides. At first I was thinking I wanted to go in and kind of leave some of my hairline out, but then I changed my mind and decided to put the wig just on over my hairline. So that's what you see me doing here. There's no set rule on how to wear your wig. You can wear it however you like. I'm just showing you how to wear it if you did choose to melt that lace. So now I'm just going in with my blow dryer, just about like 2 minutes, and then I'm using my elastic band as you see here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of style the wig. There's a lot of nice parting space in this wig. You can do the middle, the sides, but I chose to go in and do it in the middle because I like that look. I also love the way this lace did melt. Now if you see, it's looking a little humpy. Wear the wig the way you choose to wear it, but I'm going to go in with my hot comb. If you notice, I'm not putting that hot comb all the way down. Keep in mind that this is a synthetic wig, so if you do straighten out this wig, it is not going to revert back. The fact that this wig is a natural yaki wig, I did not want to lose the texture of this wig, so I'm not running that hot comb all the way down so the wig can stay yaki. Now I'm just going in with my synthetic wig products. I like this Simply Styling Spray. It's a silicone mist just to kind of help soften up the wig a bit so it's not so stiff. Now I'm just getting these ends together with my hot comb. I didn't feel like getting my flat iron to bump these ends and smooth out the wig a bit. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I like to put a little bit of concealer in the parting space to make it look as natural as possible. I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation for the final touches, and that's pretty much it. Okay, my friends, so I finished telling you how I put on this wig. Let's talk about her. Let's see. This wig is cute. This is for all my bob girls. I know I told y'all I'm in my bob era, but I might be selling this wig. So this wig is super cute. I love the fact that it does say natural yaki, and yes, it is mimicking like a natural yaki type hair. This still is synthetic, guys, so keep that in mind. This wig, it might be a little flowy now, but it will probably get a little stiffer over time because it's a synthetic human hair blend. I used to be so upset with people when I bought the wig and the wig got stiff later, but the good part is that because this is a blend, it is going to hold up a little bit longer, but I am starting to see the synthetic like kind of stiffness happening. I noticed that with the perm yaki too. It was a little, the texture feels good, but it's not too harsh, but it definitely is a little bit more drier. I do suggest going in with a little bit of Simply Styling Spray, and I did have to use just a tad bit of serum kind of on the ends of the hair. It's not, like I said, it's not too dry and it's not too scratchy. It feels really good, but I have kind of felt a little softer. The serum and everything does definitely help. I love how lightweight this wig is. It's super lightweight. As far as the cap goes, guys, this wig is actually really comfortable. You see how it's kind of stiff like that? But I think it's just more so the length of the wig, because I think that's why it's kind of falling like that. So over time, this wig definitely is going to get a little stiffer on you. I do like the cap on this wig. It's really comfortable. I love the lace. It's not really shedding on me like that, so I do like that. Again, I told y'all I love the lace on this airtight wig. I didn't put any baby hairs or anything on this wig, and it's melting. It really is melting. You can wear this glueless if you like. I went in with a little bit of bed head, kind of right here on the sides. I do have the tabs lifted, but you can totally wear this wig glueless. I love the fact that it's kind of an everyday look. This is for all my bob girls. I think it's the fact that it's 12 inches. I would have probably preferred 14 inches, but it's just a little bit too short for me. This is what it's looking like all the way around. So it's kind of longer in the front and it's a little bit more inverted in the back. I think she's cute if this is what you're looking for. Is it like a favorite bob of mine? It works, but it's not like, oh my god, it's my favorite. I love the fact that I didn't have to swoop any baby hairs. I did pluck that hairline just a tad, which you ended up not seeing because I'm wearing this wig in the middle. But do what you want to do with your wig in your life. But I think she's cute. She works. Just for me personally, I would prefer just a little bit more length, but that's just my personal preference. I love the texture on this wig. Like, look at the texture on this wig, y'all. Like, she's flowing. She's doing what she needs to do right now. Get your synthetic wig products and get your your tools, because she is synthetic. Remember what you pay for. You guys did see me going with a little bit of heat. Keep in mind that this texture will change if you run the hot comb all the way through. I just kind of run it at the top because it is getting more sleek up here if you run that hot comb through it. So be careful with this wig. It is synthetic. Overall, I definitely do recommend this wig. She's super cute and they have a lot of cute, fun colors. I have some other wig reviews coming up for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Turn those notification bells on because I have no idea how I upload. Sometimes it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes it's 7 o'clock at night. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. If you like my shirt, shout out to the Hearts and Cake 90. I got this shirt totally because of her. I'm going to leave a link below. This shirt is so comfortable. So just had to mention that. Until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.